Okay, to download my School GH online mobile app for admins, click on the link to open the download page. Next, you click on the download button and then your file starts to download. It's just 23 megabytes. So it will take a short time to download. Once the download is completed, tap on the downloaded file, which will request for permission to install from Chrome. So all you need to do is click on settings and give this special permission for the app to be installed from Chrome. Then you go back to the installation page, then click on install and wait for your mobile app to be installed. It only takes just a few moments for it to be installed. So you wait for the installation process to be completed, and then a shortcut of the app will be sent to your screen. So our installation is done. So you can either click done or you click on open to open the mobile app. So we'll click on open to open our mobile app, which takes us to the landing page where you would now come to the first page where you would be required to log in. So you click on the login button, and then you can enter your admin login credentials that have been given to you. So this is a login page. So in my case, I am going to put in my username, and then I'll enter my password, which is used for training. So once it is an app that I am going to be using and it's on my phone, I can check the remember me and click on login. So you wait for, so once you're logged in, it brings you to the profile where you look at your admin color scheme. So you can pick any color of your choice depending on your eyesight. So I'd like sunrise. So I'm going to switch to sunrise. So you can follow through, put in your first name, last name, just to set up your profile. You may also leave it and continue to other pages. So once that is done, your color scheme will change, and then you are in to go. So at the top right corner, the menu button at the top right corner, once you click it, you always see your menu where you can now start using your app the way that you want or according to the permissions that have been granted to you. So you can follow my channel at lamasoft.com to watch more videos on tutorials on how to use a mobile app. Thank you.